beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today we're going to do a sweat-proof makeup tutorial. As everybody knows that it's getting hot out there. The sun is out and I'm out majority of the time as well. Why not enjoy the nice weather and look flawless as well? I'm going to share a lot of products which are really amazing to work with during the hot season. I have listed down all the products in the description box below. So if you want to see how I create this flawless sweat-proof makeup look, make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button and keep on watching. It is actually so hot right now. It's so sunny outside and it is going to be the hottest day of the week. I think it's about plus 32 today, so I'm sweating and I have no idea why I'm wearing this turtleneck. So let's start up with skin prep. So I usually like to go in with a face moisturizer, and today I'm going to be using the Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 moisturizer with SPF 30 in it, and I'm going to gently massage it all over my face. Usually if I am using a lotion or a face cream with only SPF 30 or lower, I like to go in with the Neutrogena Clear Face SPF 50. Protection from the sun rays the whole day. So I'm going to quickly apply this all over my face. If your neck is exposed to the sun, guys, make sure you apply the sunscreen on your neck as well. So next I'm going to go in with the primer, and as usual, my favorite e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I'm going to apply just one pump of it evenly all over my face, and you guys already know by now how much I am in love with this. So if you want to get a flawless finished makeup look, make sure this is the one you're investing in, because I am absolutely loving it. Okay, so I feel like for summer I like to go in with lighter coverage and a foundation which has a formula which is really light and it feels like skin when you actually apply it to your face. So for that, so far I have been really loving the Fit Me Matte Poreless Normal to Oily foundation from Maybelline. This is my favorite foundation, which I always use during the hot days and during the summer days. Yes, I'm going in with my foundation first today because our eye makeup look is not going to be as heavy, so we're trying to go for a really natural look today. So I'm gonna complete my face first and then we will get into the eye makeup. I'm going to go in with the same beauty blender and just gently apply the left off foundation all over my eyelids to even out my skin tone, because we're not going to use a concealer to prime our eyes today, because I feel like if it's really hot and if you use a concealer to prime your eyes, it does crease and you can basically see the product coming off. So instead I'm just going to use an eye primer to prime my lids so that it has a thin layer of product on my eyelids, and if it's really hot it doesn't crease and the makeup product doesn't come off. So for that I'm going to use the Milani eyeshadow primer. This is really lightweight and it has a invisible finish, so it keeps the eyeshadow on and it doesn't look as cakey or as thick. So I'm just going to gently get some product right on my fingertip and gently dab the product on. And this this is going to make your eyeshadow last without creasing for at least 8 to 12 hours. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender again to set my eyelid. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to keep it really simple. And for that, I'm going to use the KAB Cosmetics Day and Night palette. This is what it looks like. I feel like this looks really similar to the Huda Beauty palette. If I compare, it's the Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to show it side by side and show you guys the eyeshadow colors. It's not exactly the same, but look at this, guys. All right, and I love both of them. So I'm going to be using this particular KAB Day and Night palette, and I'm only going to use these neutral colors to actually complete my eye look today. So I'm going to go in with the shade Naked for my eyeshadow base. This basically helps to set the eyes as well. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Georgia Peach, and I'm going to apply it on the outer and inner corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Golden Hour and apply it right in the center of my eyelid. So for eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Line Stiletto Ultimate Precision Liquid Eyeliner. Since everybody knows that I do not use mascara anymore because it gives me some kind of reaction, and so I'm basically going to use my fingertips and gently, make sure you're not applying a lot of pressure, gently just hold your eyelash and drag it so you can just remove the eyeshadow pigment from your eyelash, so when you are actually applying your mascara, your lashes, it doesn't show. I'm going to put on my lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. It totally depends on you what kind of lashes you like to wear during summer. If you're a mascara girl, go ahead, sister. Mascaras are the best, and I would highly recommend waterproof mascara for summer sweaty days. But since I cannot wear mascara due to some reasons where I'm getting reactions, I'm not sure if it's just the environment, the air outside, or if it's definitely not a specific product, a specific brand. I've tried multiple mascaras, but it's not working for me. So next, I'm just going to quickly go in with my favorite Maybelline Studio Brow Gel and do my eyebrows quickly. Okay, since I do not want the inner corner of my eyebrows to be really dark, I want it to have an ombre effect. I'm going to go in with this spoolie and drag the product towards the rest of my brow so it looks evened out and not as harsh. Okay, so eyebrows are done. Next, I'm going to go in with a concealer and conceal underneath my eye area and all the high points of my face. So for that today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take the product and apply it around the usual areas of my face, which is right at the inner corner of my eye area and right around the outer corner of my eye area. Same thing over this side. And as you can see, the formula for this product is really thin. so it doesn't have a lot of coverage, and it won't look very cakey on your face. I'm going to take my beauty blender and evenly, just gently dab it around my face so it gives it the highlight I'm looking for. I was hoping that it highlights my face as well, but it didn't, so we are going to go in with another product. This is my favorite go-to, and I'm pretty sure majority of you really love this product as well. It's called the Instant Age Rewind Corrector. So I am just going to get a little bit, so just a little bit. We don't want too much product. Just for the highlight. Take your beauty blender and blend. Okay, this is what I was looking for. A little bit of highlight and a little bit of glow at the same time. I'm just looking for a healthy glow, which kind of looks like it's coming from within. And this Tarte, now what is it called again? The Tarte Shape Tape Glow On. This is the one which does the magic. Okay, so this looks pretty good. So next I'm going to use a loose setting powder to set my face, and for that I'm going to reach in for the Milani Translucent Light to Medium Powder. I'm going to take my beauty blender, dab a little bit. So I'm just going to shake it like that so the product comes out. And then I'm going to use my beauty blender. Holy sh! That's a lot of product which came out. I'm going to use a beauty blender, dab a little bit on the powder, and I'm going to dab it right underneath my eye area. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. Going to get some powder on it. And for bronzer today, this is what I'm going to use. It's called the Bamboo Bronzer from South Beach. So I'm going to use a bronzer brush, dip just a little bit of bronzer because this kind of looks like a really darker shade. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my bronzer brush and just dab it on my cheekbone. Then I'm going to take the product right over my hairline to make sure that I have that naturally bronzed look. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this Tarte Shape Tape wand. Okay, so going to do the same on the other side. Don't forget to jawline. For highlighter today, I'm going to go in with the Milani Afterglow highlight in the shade 01. Just apply it in the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and right around this area. I don't think I need a lot of highlighter over there, but since we have the product on the brush, well, let's just go with it. Just gently dabbing it up. I don't even think I needed it, but that's okay, right? Okay, so I am not going to put on blush today because I feel like I have a lot of product on. So I am going to go in with my favorite summertime lip color, and that is Veronica, and it's a matte lip shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. how beautiful this looks. I'm going to go in with the Morphe setting spray and spray all over my face to ensure that this makeup stays put together throughout the whole day. Feels amazing. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the makeup tutorial, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it because I enjoyed creating this for you guys. I will be listing down all the products which I have used in today's makeup tutorial in the description box below. And if you love the content I create, don't forget to support your sister, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a video, and it helps me a lot. So thank you so much guys for your support, and thank you for watching.